Alright, this is a quick Michaels haul. I stopped by Michaels today for two reasons. One, I was looking at the weekly ad today, and if you spend $40, you got a free Easter bunny basket. And then it is my niece's Haley birthday on Sunday. I know, it's crazy. It's been a year since I made the Stranger Things cake. Last year I made her birthday cake, and now apparently that makes me the cake lady, so I have to make her a cake this year. And so I was looking for stuff for her cake. So let's show you what I got. So this is the free Easter basket bunny when you spend $40. They have these behind the counter. You just ask when you check out, and isn't that adorable? So I thought that was cute. Why not? I was gonna spend $40 anyway, so why not get something free? And then I also used a 40% off coupon on one of the items. So I got just these cake circles to put the cake on my cake stand, because it's going to be a 3-tiered 9-inch cake, and so I'm going to have to take it in and out of the refrigerator, so I needed a cake circle to put the cake on. And then, let's see, I got me a Tim Holtz cards for my junk journaling, and then Haley's whole bunch of pink candies. So Haley's cake this year is going to be pink, and I will absolutely post a separate video when I make that cake. She is into the Avengers, and she is into Spider-Man, and no way am I making a blue and red cake. If you remember, my husband is allergic to blue icing, so it's not really fair to him to make a cake that he can't eat or share with Haley, and so I saw this really cute pink cake idea on Instagram, and that's what I'm going to do, and I'll share my inspiration on the actual cake making video. So all these little packets of pink candies were $1 each at Michael's. I thought that was pretty cool, and I'm going to go to Party City tomorrow and get some more pink candies. So the top of the cake is just going to be decorated with a bunch of pink candies, and then I needed more cake or icing tips. This is what I used my 40% off coupon on. And then I got another pack of the disposable icing bags, and then the connector tips. And I am going to make my own icing, so I'm going to dye it pink, and so this is the dye for the icing I'm going to make. And then, I got one more thing. I got a thing of napkins. This is for a craft project I'm working on. I needed napkins, and so I picked those up. So yep, this is it. Like I said, this is a very short haul, but if you like free stuff and you're gonna spend at least $40, go to Michael's this week. This is a very cute Easter basket, and it's already packaged. I'm just keeping this for me, just gonna use it like as a centerpiece on my dining room table. And does it say what the value is? I'm sure like if they sold this outright, it would probably only be, there you go, $15. So not a bad value at all. Yep, I am sorry, I'm thinking as we talk about this pink cake I'm working on. So I will start, today's only Monday, it is Monday, April, 8th. So I will, and her birthday is Sunday. So I'll bake the cake Saturday evening, and then I will ice it Sunday afternoon, and then I will go to her birthday party Sunday night and bring her cake. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later.